I'm going to show you how to set up Pixelcade for PinUp Popper. So PinUp Popper, in that case, mainly you'd be using Pixelcade as a DMD for your virtual pinball games. So first thing you want to do is hop on over to pixelcade.org. And go to the download section and click Pixelcade DMD. And then here, just follow these instructions. I won't go through all of them here, but basically you're going to download the installer, which is this one. So just go ahead and download that installer and run it. And once you've done that, then what you want to do is you want to go to your PinUp Popper menu setup. So that's going to be here. And then go to Popper Setup and Emulators. And then for each emulator, let's start with, say, FX2, there's going to be a little few lines you need to insert in the launch setup script. So that's this one here. So again, I'm starting with FX2. So I just went here, clicked on launch setup. And then what you want to do is when you install the Pixelcade DMD add-on, recommend folks install that in the VPinMAME folder. So whatever path to your VPinMAME folder, you want to put that here. And then you simply need to start this particular file, pixelcade-pinball FX2.exe, before this line. So we're just simply inserting this line. And then also on the close script, I think this might already be there as the default, depending on the image that you have, but we're adding this taskkill DMD.exe line. So that's all you need to do for FX2. FX3 is very similar. So again, that same line here, wherever you've installed Pixelcade to your VPinMAME folder. And then this is just slightly different. This is Pixelcade-Pinball FX3 no Steam. And then same thing on the exit, you want to do this line right here. So that's FX3, Future Pinball. Let's see what we did there. Similar line right here. You'll notice that if you see something that says REM, that basically means it's a comment. And so in this case, in this particular image that I have, there was already a example one for Future Pinball, but in this case we don't want to use this, so we've commented that out, and that's basically what this does. It just does all these parameters for you automatically. It's just a little bit easier to read. So that's what that is. And then again, the same taskkill line right here. That's FX3, and then lastly, Visual Pinball. This one is a little bit easier, so we just need to kill something called pixelweb.exe in case it's running. Visual Pinball is a little different, as you may know. With DMDs, it runs off a DLL, so there's no actually executable. So we're just killing this pixelweb if it happens to be running. If you're not using pixelweb, then don't worry about that. And so that's essentially it. And again, this will allow you to switch automatically the DMD mode when you're jumping from, say, a Visual Pinball X game to an FX3 game, and vice versa. So the DMD will automatically still work as you're switching between those front ends. That's what this does for you. So hope that was helpful. And as always, thanks for tuning in.